Poor guy with Blackstone, Memorial Day weekend. What is this? It's bologna.
Oh yeah, it's all coming together.
I smoked it in the smoker.
Okay.
Tori will add a little time-lapse video of how I did it in the smoker. Basically, it's a big old thing of bologna I bought at Walmart, and I smoked it. One's got barbecue, one doesn't. Put a little rub in there, and we're gonna fry it because it's Memorial Day weekend, and what's more American than a little pickup truck going by? I mean, fried bologna on a Blackstone.
Hi, Kevin. I'm your biggest fan.
So that's what we're doing. It's gonna be a quick video because it's fried bologna. So spray butter. Why not? Got it preheated on high because we want to fry this bologna. I'm just going to do a bunch of it. We're going to go in the house, of course, and eat it. And we're just going to put it on some regular old bread. And people can add what they want. For me, I am going to put cheddar cheese because, unfortunately, you know, the cheese that's named after our great country is probably the worst cheese ever. I know we don't all look at it that way, but man, it's nasty. American cheese. Okay, it's not the worst, but Limburger, that might be pretty bad, but I don't know. Not a big fan. So we're using cheddar cheese. Sargento, that's Italian. Alright, let's throw it on there. It's kind of thick. Sizzle. Because when you buy like a big old honk of thing of bologna, until I get my deli slicer, this is what I got to do. Look at that, was on the bottom. There's a big old thing of bologna. I cut it in half. See? So this is the barbecue. We sampled it in the house before we came out to see what we liked better, and I don't know. They're both good. They're both bad. It's fried bologna on the Blackstone. I've got stuff on my hands.
Oh my God!
I don't have any paper towels. Hold on. I got the dogs out here today.
Dip, dip, potato chip.
The missus and I did a whole lot of yard work today. Got her vaccines yesterday, first dose. Arm's killing me. Other than that, feel fine. Pfizer, BT Dubs. Yeah, so things are looking up. Now tomorrow, I don't know when you'll get to see the video, but tomorrow we're gonna do burgers. We're gonna do smash burgers. We're gonna use a burger press with the lip, and we're gonna do a little twist on it. See what y'all think of that, y'all, or you guys, or yous, whatever. We've got some cheddar cheese. So, fried bologna. You know how when you do a regular fried bologna, you do it in the house, and it starts to puff up in the middle? You got to do a little slit in the side. You know, when I was a kid, I used to look at it, and then it would kind of open up. The slit would open up. I used to think it was Pac-Man. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because he did it. Just did a little slit right here, and all of a sudden his mouth would open up. I'm like, that's Pac-Man.
It's Pac-Man, man.
Pac-Man, man.
I'm so fun.
Yeah. It's good. So you can see where it sat on the smoker. We did it for about 3 hours. The nice thing about it is I didn't have to regulate any temperatures. I just threw it on there because it's bologna. It's already cooked. It's not
Dip, potato chip.
all beef bologna. It's typically what we use. But you know, I've been looking at that freaking bologna at Walmart and I'm like, let's smoke a bologna. And fry it on the Blackstone. Do a video.
You look like that kid from Cheaper by the Dozen.
Huh?
You look like that kid off of Cheaper by the Dozen with the bucket hat.
I don't know that one.
I'll have to show you it later. I'll put a picture like right here.
Hi, Roppy. Hello, Roppy. Hello, Roppy.
Dip, potato chip.
You have to put him in line.
I put Roppy down and I'll do this.
It's me, Mario!
Ow.
Buddy jumped.
That hurt. Yep, frying bologna. Good times. Can you see where I'm talking about?
Yes.
How this is not cooking as much as over here. So let's do this. Let's move this here. Let's move this here. See? Ow, I hurt my knee on that jump. I should have stretched.
Rob's gonna be out of commission for a while.
Oh no, I won't. It's Memorial Day weekend. And let's see, normally we do a nice cookout, which we're kind of going to do tomorrow. Kind of, sort of. These burgers will be interesting. I don't know when you'll get to do it watching the video. Oh, look at Frodo. He is sunbathing. He's a sunbathing beauty. Yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, we're going to do something different with these. I think they're going to be good. Tori's a little worried. I'm not. She's a little worried. But you'll see. You'll just have to see. Whenever she gets around to editing my videos, you know, I pay her good money for this and she just works at her own pace. Which is unfortunate, but can't really complain too much. Anyway. Yeah. It's frying, as you can see. That's pretty much fried bologna, right? Mm-hmm. Thick. This is thick. Now with me, I'm a what are those people doing over there?
Where?
See them over there? Just doing things out in the street, playing and stuff. Oh, they're riding skateboards, huh? Beautiful. I mean, it's like, last we checked it was 73 degrees, very light breeze, well considering it's Oklahoma. Sunny, not very humid. That's perfect. That's perfect. But, so anyway, yeah, I gotta work Monday. Yeah, that sucks. But, you know, I work for Frito-Lay and we gotta get the chips to the market while they're fresh. So, it is what it is. 4th of July, pickup truck. 4th of July this year, I believe, is on a Sunday. So, I mean, that's not the worst day to have it on, but at least I won't be working.
Yeah.
Are we all doing cheese?
I want cheese.
I don't even know if we have enough.
We do.
What are you doing?
Before we get back to Rob, I would just like to remind you to smash that subscribe button. Make sure to like and comment and tell me what is your favorite cheese and why.
This is probably overkill, you know, as far as the amount of bologna.
I mean, we like bologna though.
But yeah, I mean, it's just bologna. So whatever we don't eat tonight, we'll just put it in the fridge. Look at, man. Look at.
Well, there it is.
Can you believe it? Well,
We have all
that one's not going to get a piece of cheese. I don't know what to tell you. One bad thing about Sargento, they feel like they have to put 11 slices of cheese instead of 12. It was weird. Why would they do
It's
11?
an odd number.
There must be a reason for it. If anybody watches this video, look it up for me and comment. It'd be interesting to
Yeah,
find
why
out.
does Sargento cheese only have 11?
Yeah,
slices?
because you know when you look at it, the same thickness because they have the ultra thin and blah blah blah. If you were to get the big pack per se, it would be 24 slices.
And if you were to make a burger, usually you get buns, and it comes with 8 buns, and that's the
8
even
buns,
number.
right? Why 11? Oh, I forgot the platter, bro.
Oh, bro.
Hold on a second. You can either pause it or Tori, you can.
I'll improvise.
Yeah, I'll be right back.
I'll be coming with you, Rob.
Come on, role play.
You're all going with you.
Hello.
How you go?
I forgot the platter. They're pretty much done. Platter. Okay, so we'll let the cheese melt a little bit more. I'm gonna bring them in the house. And Tori, what are you gonna put on yours?
Probably mayo.
That's it?
Well, the cheese is already on there, so.
Just cheese and mayo?
Yeah.
I'm gonna put mustard, just plain old American mustard. And I don't know. I think Don will just do mustard. I don't know what. Hmm.
He built different.
Maybe it's thinner. That piece looks thinner. I don't know what Aiden's gonna do. But yeah, it's just gonna go into bread. We need some chips. We got 2 bags of Lay's potato chips. One is salt and vinegar, and the other one is hickory barbecue wavy. Oh, they're both so good. They were only $2 at Walmart, so make sure you get out there and support your local Frito-Lay and buy lots of chips this weekend. And okay, we're gonna put it on the platter, and we're gonna call it a day. This is the easy video instead of dragging it on, and y'all listen to me. Hopefully, Tori can edit some stuff and make it worthwhile. I want to say, hey, what's up, buddy? What's up, buddy? I got a little hey. Yeah, that was fun. So I got 21 subscribers. So things are getting better, slow but sure. I see people watching my videos.
You aren't subscribing, so make sure you subscribe.
Yeah, we need comments other than my family members. Thank you for watching. Like, unlike, medium like, comment. Fried bologna, Memorial Day weekend.
Comment. Do you like fried bologna?
USA.